Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Now today we are looking at a Ginsters slice. Now I'm in my van, I'm doing a bit to my van, working on my van that I'm converting, bit peckish, walked down to Asda, seen these bad boys, thought I'd give it a go. Now it's a 170 gram slice, cost me £1.25. Now, I'm out and about in my van, as I said, so I'm going to be having it cold. What is it? It's a limited edition Ginsters slice. Creamy tomato, chicken and mozzarella. Have a look at that. There you go, limited edition. What's it say? British chicken and tomatoes in a creamy sauce with mozzarella, onions, potatoes and basil pesto, wrapped in light puff pastry and topped with a tomato and basil crumb. Now, basil pesto, that's the green pesto. I have a bit of a thing for that as of late. Why all of a sudden, I don't know. But anyway, let's have a look. And that was a train, if you heard that, it wasn't me. It's probably a little bit battered, because I had a load of other bits and pieces in there. But, there it is. Look at that. There you go. As I said, I'm having it cold because I've got no way of heating it up. Not yet, anyway. Ooh, but saying that, look at this. I can actually pull it apart and show you the inside. There it is. Ooh! Smells nice. I can smell that pesto. Oh, got a thing for pesto. Gotta love a bit of pesto. Right. Oh, let's have it. Mmm. Definitely creamy, definitely tomatoey. There was bits of chicken in there which are quite nice. That's actually very nice. Some of these taste good hot, some taste good cold. This is banging cold. Mmm, very nice. It's going down a treat. Drink. Orange Tango. That's really good. That is really good. Marvellous. That was really good. Now, if you've had that, let me know what you thought of it. In fact, would I buy it again? Yeah, definitely. Worth the £1.25, I thought. It certainly kept me going whilst I'm playing around with the van. So, right, let me know your thoughts, like I said, in the comment box if you've had that. But for now, that was great, that was fantastic. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Until next time, I'm out of here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next review.